How to check Facebook account created here in Facebook. So let's get started. You can easily do so. So first of all you have to do is open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Now, once inside the Facebook app, all you have to do is tap on the three dashboard menu icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to the Facebook menu section. Now all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom and tap on the settings and privacy. Then simply tap on the settings from settings and privacy. Inside settings, tap on the account center at the top. Then once inside the account center, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the your information option available there. And once you tap on it, you will get to see access your information option available at the top. Again, tap on it, and after you tap on it, you can see personal information option available there. Tap on it again, and once you tap on the personal information, you'll get to see the Facebook account created here. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.